A new tank for a new era. Panther KF-51 is Rheinmetall's new main battle tank, setting unprecedented standards in lethality, protection, survivability, reconnaissance, networking, and mobility. It was unveiled publicly at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition on June 13, 2022. The KF-51 is based on the hull of the Leopard 2A4, but with a new turret mounting an auto-loaded 130mm caliber main gun. The tank is also equipped with a number of advanced features, including a fully digital architecture, a next-generation active protection system, and the ability to control unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). Rheinmetall has stated that the KF-51 is intended to compete with the Leopard 2A7 Plus and other modern main battle tanks. The company has also said that the tank is being developed with export in mind. The Bell APT, which stands for Autonomous Pod Transport, is a concept electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft being developed by Bell Helicopter. It is designed to be a high-speed, long-range cargo drone that can be used for a variety of purposes, including military support, medical missions, and on-demand delivery. The APT has a unique design that combines the advantages of both helicopters and airplanes. It takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter. The APT is equipped with 6 electric motors that power its rotors. The rotors are arranged in a V-tail configuration, which provides greater stability and control than a traditional helicopter design. The aircraft has a range of up to 200 miles and can carry a payload of up to 500 pounds. The top-down anti-tank missiles concept by deterrence is a proposal for a new type of anti-tank weapon that attacks tanks from above. The concept uses a small, unmanned aerial vehicle UAV to carry a missile that would strike the top of a tank, where it is typically less armored. The UAV would be launched from a ground vehicle or helicopter, and would fly over the battlefield until it located a target. Once a target is acquired, the UAV would dive down and launch the missile at the tank. The missile would be equipped with a shaped charge warhead, which would focus its explosive force on a small area, penetrating the tank's armor. The top-down anti-tank missiles concept has several potential advantages over traditional anti-tank weapons. First, it is highly effective against the top armor of tanks, which is typically much weaker than the frontal or side armor. Second, the top-down attack makes it difficult for tanks to defend against. The anti-tank missiles concept by deterrence is a fascinating and innovative proposal for a new type of anti-tank weapon. The concept involves a small, loitering drone that carries a miniature anti-tank missile. The drone would be able to fly over a battlefield and search for enemy vehicles before attacking them from above. There are several potential advantages to this concept. First, the drone would be much smaller and more maneuverable than a traditional anti-tank missile, making it more easy for enemy vehicles to shoot down. Second, the drone could attack vehicles from above, which is a much more vulnerable area than the front or sides. Third, the drone could be equipped with sensors that would allow it to identify and track enemy tanks, even in bad weather or at night. The Extender ISR system is a revolutionary micro-tactical indoor intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR system designed for urban warfare and complex environments. It allows operators with no prior flight experience to control drones and other payloads remotely with high precision and situational awareness, all from a safe distance. The system features a small, wearable drone that can easily navigate tight spaces and confined areas. It's only 11.8 inches long and weighs about 1.8 pounds, making it highly portable and maneuverable. It utilizes virtual reality VR to provide operators with a first-person view from the drone, as well as sensor fusion to combine data from multiple sources for a comprehensive picture of the environment. HESCO MIL refers to a specific type of earth-filled protective barrier produced by the company HESCO. These barriers are also known as HESCO bastions or concertinors. They are commonly used for military fortifications and flood control. HESCO MIL units are made of a collapsible wire mesh frame that is lined with a heavy-duty fabric. The frame can be quickly unfolded and assembled, and then filled with sand, earth, or other readily available materials. Once filled, the units create a strong and stable barrier that can withstand a variety of threats, including small arms fire, explosives, and floodwaters. HESCO MIL units can be easily disassembled and reused for future deployments. The Rheinmetall Boxer Cobra Bridge Layer is a military engineering vehicle based on the Boxer multi-role armored vehicle. The Cobra Bridge Layer is designed to quickly deploy and recover bridges up to 15 meters in length and capable of supporting military load classification MLC-50 vehicles, which includes most main battle tanks and heavy armored vehicles. The bridge system is modular, allowing it to be attached and detached from the Boxer vehicle as needed, preserving the vehicle's full functionality for other missions. The bridge itself is a concertina-style structure made of high-strength steel and aluminum. It is deployed by a hydraulic launch system mounted on the front of the Boxer vehicle. The bridge can be deployed in 2 minutes and recovered in just 1 minute. The Ripsaw M5 is a 5th-generation unmanned ground vehicle UGV developed by Textron Systems. It is designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition RSTA missions, as well as for explosive ordnance disposal EOD and perimeter security. The M5 is equipped with a variety of sensors, including cameras, LiDAR, and radar. These sensors allow the M5 to operate in both day and night conditions and in all weather conditions. The M5 can also be equipped with a variety of weapons, including a 30mm cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and grenade launchers. The M5 is controlled by a human operator who is located in a remote control station. The operator can use the M5 sensors to gain situational awareness and can use the M5's weapons to engage targets. The RAPID Fire Naval is a highly sophisticated, remotely operated weapon system designed by Thales and Nexter to provide close-in defense against air and surface threats for naval vessels. It's a cutting-edge solution for modern maritime warfare. The Rapid-Fire Naval has a maximum range of 4,000 meters and a rate of fire of 200 rounds per minute. It is equipped with a sophisticated fire control system that includes a radar, an electro-optical tracking system, and a ballistic computer. This system allows the Rapid-Fire Naval to track and engage targets with a high degree of accuracy, even in bad weather conditions. The gun system is able to fire 5 different types of ammunition in real time, which are automatically identified and selected based on the threat. The JFD Shadow Nav is a head-up display HUD that is mounted on a diver's mask. It provides the diver with essential information such as compass heading, depth, and time, even in low visibility conditions. This is especially important for military divers who often operate in hazardous and zero visibility conditions. The Shadow Nav is a small, lightweight device that is powered by a rechargeable battery. It is easy to use and can be operated with one hand. The display is bright and clear, and the information is easy to read, even in direct sunlight. The JFD Shadow Nav is a valuable tool for any diver who operates in low visibility conditions. It can help to improve diver safety and efficiency, and it can make diving more enjoyable. The Door Blaster HDB90ST is a powerful, portable door breaching tool designed for quiet and remote operation. It is used by special tactics teams and law enforcement agencies to gain entry into buildings or rooms quickly and efficiently without the use of explosives or other destructive methods. Clamping the tool into the door frame is quick and simple, requiring only a press of a button. The HDB90ST is small and light enough to be carried and operated by one person, saving manpower and reducing the risk of bumping into things and making noise. The operator can activate and release the tool from a safe distance using a remote control, further reducing the risk of injury. The GM6 Lynx is a Hungarian-made, .50 BMG caliber anti-material rifle manufactured by Ciro International Limited. It is a bullpup rifle, meaning that the magazine and the action are located behind the trigger, which makes it more compact and maneuverable than traditional rifles of the same caliber. The Lynx is a semi-automatic rifle, and it can fire a variety of .50 BMG ammunition, including armor-piercing, incendiary, and tracer rounds. It has an effective range of up to 2,000 meters, and it can generate up to 14,500 joules of muzzle energy. The Lynx has been adopted by a number of military and law enforcement agencies around the world. The Bell 525 Relentless is an American supermedium lift helicopter developed by Bell Textron. The helicopter is designed to transport up to 19 passengers or 8,200 pounds of cargo. It has a range of 644 miles and a maximum speed of 190 miles per hour. The Bell is powered by two General Electric CT72 F1 turboshaft engines. The engines are rated for 1,800 shaft horsepower each. The helicopter has a 4-bladed main rotor and a 5-bladed tail rotor. The Bell 525 Relentless is equipped with a number of advanced features, including a fly-by-wire flight control system, a glass cockpit, and a weather radar. The fly-by-wire system makes the helicopter easier to fly and more stable in flight. The glass cockpit provides the pilots with a clear view of all the information they need to fly the helicopter safely. The weather radar helps the pilots to avoid bad weather. The Rheinmetall Mission Master CXT is a compact and highly mobile unmanned ground vehicle UGV designed to accompany troops in all kinds of missions, especially in challenging environments. The Mission Master CXT is notable for its extreme terrain mobility, hybrid propulsion system, and advanced amphibious capabilities. It can reliably and silently transport heavy payloads of up to 1,000 kilograms in even the most unforgiving conditions. It has a range of 450 kilometers on a single tank of fuel, and can also travel for 50 kilometers on its electric motor alone. This makes it ideal for long-range reconnaissance, resupply, and fire support missions. The Mission Master CXT is equipped with a variety of sensors, including cameras, LiDAR, and radar, which allow it to operate in both day and night conditions. It can be controlled remotely by an operator, or it can operate autonomously using its onboard artificial intelligence. The Honeywell RQ-16AT Hawk is a miniature unmanned aerial vehicle UAV that is designed for backpack deployment and single-person operation. The T-Hawk is a duct fan VTOL aircraft, which means that it can take off and land vertically. This makes it ideal for use in confined spaces or in areas where there is no runway. The T-Hawk is powered by a flat twin engine and has a maximum speed of 74 kilometers per hour. It has an endurance of approximately 40 minutes and can reach an altitude of up to 3,200 meters. The T-Hawk is equipped with a variety of sensors, including a forward-looking infrared FLIR camera and a daylight camera. These sensors allow the T-Hawk to be used for a variety of purposes, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and search and rescue.